Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Cinnado indoor security camera. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you plan on reselling your Cinnado indoor security camera. How do you actually go ahead about factory resetting it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, let's go ahead and hop into our WansView Cloud app. Now, this is already assuming that you've connected your indoor security camera to the WansView Cloud app. Next, click on the gear icon. Next, scroll down, then click on Device Management. And then from this page here, you want to go ahead and click on Factory Reset. So what that is going to do is that it's going to wipe your camera of any details, of any information that it's connected to, and basically make it so that it's been brand new out of the box. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and factory reset your Cinnado indoor security camera. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all